20 tax write-offs you never knew existed. Welcome to This is Finance, the ultimate destination for smart money management and maximizing your financial potential. In today's video, we're diving deep into the treasure trove of the tax code to uncover 20 overlooked deductions that could significantly boost your tax refund. Whether you're navigating the complexities of self-employment or just looking to save some extra cash this tax season, we've got the insider tips and expert guidance you need. Get ready to unlock the secrets to lowering your tax bill and keeping more money in your pocket. Let's get started and make this your most financially rewarding year yet. 1. Educator expenses. Educators can deduct up to $250, $500 if both spouses are educators, for unreimbursed expenses for classroom supplies. This is an adjustment to income on Form 1040, so you don't need to itemize to claim it. 2. Home office deduction. If you're self-employed and use part of your home exclusively for business, you can deduct expenses like a portion of rent, utilities, and insurance. Use the simplified option or actual expenses, Form 8829, to calculate this deduction. 3. Self-employment health insurance. Self-employed individuals can deduct 100% of their health insurance premiums. This deduction is taken as an adjustment to income on your tax return, allowing for the benefit without itemizing. 4. Charitable contributions. Deductions include not just cash donations but also out-of-pocket costs and mileage, 14 cents per mile for 2023, for charitable work. Keep receipts and a log of activities. Contributions must be to qualified organizations. 5. State sales tax. You can choose to deduct state and local sales taxes instead of income taxes, beneficial in states without income tax. Use IRS tables for the standard amount, adding sales tax for major purchases on Schedule A. 6. Investment interest expense. Deduct interest paid on loans to buy investment property up to your net investment income amount. Report this on Form 4952. 7. Gambling losses. Deduct losses up to the amount of gambling winnings, requiring itemization on your return. Keep a diary of gambling activities and losses. 8. Hobby expenses. Note: this deduction has been suspended from 2018 through 2025 due to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Previously, you could deduct expenses up to the amount of hobby income on Schedule A. 9. Dependent care credit. A credit for up to 35% of qualifying expenses for dependent care, which allows you to work or look for work. File Form 2004-41 with your tax return. 10. Energy-efficient home improvements. Claim credits for specific energy-efficient improvements like solar panels on Form 5695. The credit amount varies by the type of improvement. 11. Education credits. Claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit, up to $2,500 per student, or the Lifetime Learning Credit, up to $2,000 per tax return, for eligible education expenses on Form 8863. 12. Student loan interest paid by parents. If parents pay a child's student loan, the child can deduct up to $2,500 of interest, provided they're not claimed as a dependent. This is an adjustment to income. 13. Job search expenses. Note: deductibility of these expenses has been suspended for tax years 2018 through 2025 due to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. Expenses related to job searches in your current occupation were previously deductible. 14. Moving expenses for military members. Deduct moving expenses if you are a member of the armed forces moving due to a permanent change of station. Use Form 3933 to calculate and report this deduction. 15. Health Savings Account, HSA, contributions. Contributions to an HSA are deductible. Report contributions on Form 8839, which can be deducted as an adjustment to income. 16. Early withdrawal penalties. If you face penalties for early withdrawal from CDs or other savings, you can deduct these fees as an adjustment to income on your tax return. 17. Legal fees for producing or collecting taxable income. Deduct legal fees related to producing or collecting taxable income or getting tax advice on Schedule A, subject to 2% of AGI threshold. Note: miscellaneous itemized deductions subject to the 2% AGI threshold have been suspended for 2018-2025. 18. Reservists, performing artists, and fee-basis government officials. Deduct travel expenses related to work, even without itemizing, under certain conditions. This is an adjustment to income. 19. Mortgage points. Points paid either when purchasing a home or refinancing can be deducted. If points are paid for a purchase, they are deductible in the year paid. If for refinancing, they may need to be amortized over the life of the loan. 20. Casualty and theft losses from federally declared disasters. Deduct losses on personal property from federally declared disasters not reimbursed by insurance. This requires itemizing deductions and is subject to certain thresholds. For each of these deductions and credits, maintaining accurate records and understanding IRS guidelines is essential. Many deductions require itemizing on Schedule A, while others offer adjustments to income that are available even if you take the standard deduction. Always consult the IRS website or a tax professional for the most current advice and to ensure you're maximizing your tax benefits correctly. That's the end of today's tips on This is Finance. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please remember to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos so you don't miss out. See you next time.